In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Having multiple accounts can be confusing and can lead to privacy issues. It's important to clean up your accounts and only keep the ones you actively use. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the downward arrow button next to your name. Then tap where it says, Go to Accounts Center. And then scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Accounts. Now you'll be able to see all your accounts. What you want to do next is tap on the Remove button next to your other account that you want to remove. Then tap Remove Account. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.